Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, yo, franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effect thing. You don't know it already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them, and drop necessary equipment, you don't know a loud explosion, boy. I don't it. I the most electrifying man. Watch it make me step, cause you know me a concrete stepper. Watch. Hear me, no, man? Right about now, you know. I see the internet selling a friendly. And it's coming like what? A beer gas up, beer illusion, beer hypocrisy, beer tracing, and I get to see this thing here, pull out a whole heap of haters, especially vybz kartel haters, because I hear some man pan JA radio. I said the general not for come back out, and him come back out. He might do too much fuckery. I hear to hear the general there in a prison lock up, you know, and they on the street, you know. Not take participate in and nothing go on the street, you know, more than him song them a play, you know, and people still a chat negative thing about the man, you know. So I know I see some of them are some big clown, but here I go on now. Because he's a man, you know, I make sure we till them done, you know, because I know I come drop necessary equipment, you know. I know I not make this pass, you know. Because foota go like say, him a the internet gladiator. Last year, Marlon Samuel stuck him on and call him spoonhead and run him off for the internet for a couple of months. Well, you know what I mean? And now him wappy again and I come back. Yo, watch this. Him never challenged Marlon Samuels. The man did want a clashing with him. Him friend Tony Mataran and Firelinks, where him look up to. Them a selector / producer. Both of them have big song with them do and have big rhythm with a big hit record. Ask Foota when last him get a hit as a producer. The last hit him have I think a Bounty Killer game it, and then him turn around and want to violate Bounty Killer. Watch this, you know. The man take on conscience, you know. Zane? And when him take on conscience, you know, conscience this way, you know, reply what they have for a local statement to MC make, you know. And kill him with some laughing emoji there. And him try to violate the man them with be a threaten about where him going to do, and him have more secret and them shit there. So I want to ask the whole of the internet fanatic them a foota hype. Have all of the people them file in a dance hall. Him have all of the dance hall artists them secret. So what is his secret? Him not have none. Okay. Him take on conscience. Then him go for Sensia, Romish, Russian. Him take on Facebook hero. Him take on some fake body girl. And now him come for cartel and squash. But here we are going. The only way people are not supposed to believe in this money, I'm going to show you what I'm going. Him a lick out upon the man them about this gay thing and 2 women a dance and all of those stuff. Yo, let me tell you something. First and foremost, I make sure I straighten out this. Me not deal with gay. You see what I deal with? So whether it's 2 man or 2 women that are gay all day for me. You see what I deal with? I know me not deal with gay shit. You see what I deal with? So whether you want to be 2 man or 2 women, you the same thing it mean for me. You're gay. Watch. And then a lollipop thing. So here we go on. The man take on Ramesh, you know. And when Ramesh asks him about the threesome where him get, you know where the boy do? Act like something wrong with him phone. You see what I deal with? Some lollipop thing. Act like something wrong with him phone and turn off him phone. And turn off him phone. You see what I deal with? Yeah, Facebook hero take him on and ask him about the same shit. And them turn off him phone again because him don't want to discuss it and act like something wrong with him phone. So you see, say him run from address this 3 something where him get and him come on the internet and talk about that. And next thing, you see Shana K, a pose, Shana Chin, you see she pose and say, well then a woman she love. And him claim say him see Shana Chin a collect 1 whole heap of pound for gully bop. And when him look, her bag full of pound, and him dig off a thing off her and she take 100 pound and give him. And him take it and push it in his pocket. Why you never give her back her money and say, yo, you not spend Salamite money? And the next thing I want to know, people, because this brother you have contrary, I make sure listening to the fullest, So when time I come, I'm precise, This is what I deal with. Here what I say to you. When him baby mother Aisha drop equal rights, do you hear him voice of vocal all over social media? Yeah, I want to know if you did hear him voice vocal like that over social media. Him did go to the extreme the way him go to. No, him never do that. But let me tell you something. You see, if you want to dictate to some people and you not have that dictatorship there in your family or in your house, it don't make no sense. So right now, Foota need to go clean out him closet because Foota big sister is a gay. Foota big sister gay. So if you can't transform your sister or you want to come out the road, come talk to people and skull in your closet, yo, tell Foota to go restrain him big sister and stop her from being a butt. She's a caddy. You see what I deal? She's a caddy. Yeah. Tell him to go change her from that before he can come argue with nobody. Because the girl them in a squash video, you never see the girl them go like say some sexual activity them a deal with. It's just a video. You see what I deal with? And you know me not support gay business. You see what I deal with? But anyway, him come on him a run off him more about our friend. We know him and know Vybz Kartel. Come and talk to him so him a go cool everything. Let me tell you something. You don't get no argument from Vybz Kartel, Instead, you know where you get is the big song soon drop, come hear Vybz Kartel roll out the intro, Them dep on social media chat like a bitch. And them dep on phone a chat like a snitch. You see what I deal with? So the big intro roll out, so you soon hear the song drop. Because I know teacher not take no form of argument from you. You don't care what you want to chat about. And I'm going to say this, Yo, when Vybz Kartel reach a prison, someone so vocal and a voice so loud. When Vybz Kartel did debut and all the Trump alliance, you did hear Foota eye more, none at all. You never hear him more, none at all. You see what I deal about you, the general lock up, you're there, chat this and a chat that and I go like you can use argument and criticize the people. Listen to what I say. So when him down in Florida and itch up in a barber shop, more I know if not gay people not go in there go trim and not gay people not go there go do them here. What you do? You push them out, you return them back from out the shop and say, listen, you can't stay in here. That's all I want to know. You know what I mean? If you do all of them things there. Because lollipop thing you go on with, You know what I mean? You can't violate Gaza, you know that a wrong move you do because let me tell you something, in the first place you go like you're full of argument and you're intelligent. When Marlon Samuels take you on, why you never take him on? Or why you never take the 10 million and swallow your pride and bust fully bad? Because you have no disc jockey and no selector in a Jamaica and a radio person. Nah, go take your money. They're going to take your money and play him song. So why you never take the 10 million and boss yourself instead of you come on the internet and go like you're internet gladiator? When the man says spoon it or run, you run. You know what I mean? And you mix up it good. You mix up in a music business way before them one day. So I deal with and you couldn't come out, come do nothing at all about it. You see what I say? You run from the man instead. You know what I mean? You can't build up a lyrics, you can't build up a song, nothing at all. Nobody can write nothing here. You choose not to. because you don't have it. You see what I deal with? You know, you go like your Xavier, or you go like your go, the mad scientist. You know what I mean? You're not. Yeah, you're not. You're not different from nobody else. You see what I deal with? You never run out and discriminate your baby mother so long on social media and every day and keep up all the way you keep up when I see you go with. Furthermore, you try chat to the man them, and when the man them talk to you and ask you about threesome, you go like you're smart, like something wrong with your phone. You do that against your mission and claim say somebody call you. Okay, give the telephone at the door, somebody call you, you can't hear. What did happen when Facebook era asked you the same thing? You never see J.A. radio live last night and be people are calling and talk about that. Why you never call in from J.A. radio straight up that? So let me tell you something, you know, Gaza Nation. If the boy they can't come forward on the internet, you know, come admit to him something, you know, and admit him collect money from Caddy, you know. Butch, you know. You see what I deal with Salamite, you know, lesbian, whatever you want to call them, you know. Ground thunder, whatever you want to call them. If him not come on the internet and admit him collect money from those people and push it in his pocket and spend it. You see what I deal with? You know, make him come and say, come shut up him mouth. You see what I deal with? And make me tell you something, Gaza Nation. Now listen to him. You know vybz cartel now hold no form of argument with him. I don't care who want to tell us you no vybz cartel page at the fact remain the page violate you. You see what I deal with? Let me tell you something. Last year him get spooned and this year him get Beyonce aka Panty Shield. You see me, cause that the man has said for use cover his mouth. You see me, cause it's a lake. You know, don't know, you know. And the general, the 10-star one I represent. And first and foremost, I big up the 5-star general bounty killer on his belated birthday. You don't know. Respect to the fullest general and you don't know how we deal with it, you know. A general way. So here me in a Gaza Nation. What? 10-star way. Watch.